We've been working on asking testable questions, making predictions, finding answers through research or testing, and then recording and sharing results. So in this pH lab, students used a natural indicator, cabbage juice, to test whether 4 liquids were acidic, basic, or neutral. Students used graduated cylinders to carefully measure 25 milliliters of each liquid, poured the liquids into test tubes, and then added the cabbage juice with pipettes. The cabbage juice, which starts a dark purple color, turns a brilliant pink, indicating an acid, when added to the vinegar. Students were pleased to see their hypotheses validated by this result. Some were surprised to see that Sprite was a weak acid as well, and many didn't expect saltwater to stay purple, indicating that it's neutral. The most unexpected change was when soapy water turned the purple cabbage juice green, showing that it's a base. In one final test, students were given a cup of a mystery liquid. The liquid turned the purple cabbage juice green, so students knew it was a base. We then mixed the vinegar from the test tube with the mystery base. When the fizzing cup nearly overflowed, students guessed correctly that the mystery liquid was baking soda. They quickly noticed that the combined liquids turned purple, indicating that the combination of an acid and a base brought the liquid back to neutral. Using a dedicated lab space for this experiment meant that we had access to 2 water sources in the room. We had the necessary measuring tools available, and I had the time and space to set up and dismantle the equipment between classes. Students entered the lab knowing our expectations for handling tools and equipment, and they can focus on the task at hand, careful observation, drawing conclusions, and generating more questions for future experiments.